Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the face capture feature of the Workstatus. For that, you have to log into your Workstatus application and you have to come up to the side menu and then you click on settings. Once you click on that, under the job site, you will be able to see a feature with the name face capture. Click on that. The screen comes up where you can do the following changes in the system and it will automatically is going to capture the selfie each time the user starts or stop the timer. You can do this in the web tracker which is available in the web app application of Workstatus, or you can do it via the mobile app. To have it enabled for both, you can just click on here for the mobile and the web tracker both. If you want this to be enabled only for a specific feature of the Workstatus that is only a web tracker, just have it enabled for this and disabled by clicking on the checkbox and have it disabled. To have it enabled again, you can just click back and this get enabled. Now this is enabled for all of the members of the organization here listed. If you want to do the settings as per our individual part, you can click on the checkbox against the member name for the mobile or the web tracker. Or if you want to have it enabled for both, you can just click on both. For example, for this user we have done. Whenever the user starts the application from the mobile or the web tracker, she needs to punch in and she needs to capture a selfie and which is going to record it against her time. To have it enabled in a bulk for all of the members or the selected member, just click on the checkbox against the each member name and you can have it enabled for them. A pop-up from the down comes up like this where it gives you the selection of the amount and it gives you an option whether you want to have it enabled for mobile or web tracker or of the both. You can just select your selection and click on save to have it enabled in a one go for both of the members. These you can do for the multi members here. So this is about the settings of the face capture. Thank you.